Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can save audio or music from Instagram Reels. So firstly, you'll have to open Instagram on your device and also make sure you're logged into your account. As you're on your home page, on the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll see a Reels icon. Tap on it. You'll be led to the Reels section of Instagram. Now, in order to save a certain audio, on the bottom section of your screen, you'll see the used audio. If you tap on it, you'll be led to this page where on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a bookmark button. Tap on it and you'll have saved the audio from your Instagram Reels. Finally, to check the saved audio, on the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll see your profile icon. Tap on it. Now, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a three-lined icon. Again, tap on it and you'll be able to see the saved option. Tap on it and you'll be led to this page where you'll have to tap on the audio section. Finally, here you'll be able to see your saved audio on Instagram Reel. So, if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.